Hello, everybody. I'm gonna do some a little video on adding double digits. Adding double digits where it involves some carrying. So far you've been able to do numbers like this. So if you had 21 plus 15, we'll say, right? We always start with our ones column, right? Our 1 and our 5, that's in the ones column. And the 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1 gives us 6. Okay, and then we go over to our tens column where the 2 and the 1 are. We add those together, and that gives us 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 36. Easy peasy, right? There's no carrying, there's no borrowing, there's none of that. So you should be able to do this in order for us to move on to what we'll do next, and that's carrying and borrowing. Now, just to back up a little bit, just so we make sure everybody's on the same page, ones and tens, right? We know that this side, or this one right here, the first set of numbers, that's our ones position. So it goes ones, right? Over here is our tens position, right? And if we kept going, we'd go hundreds and then thousands and 10,000, etc., etc. But we always start with our ones, okay, when we're adding. And the reason for that is if our ones, when we're adding those, if they get 10 or higher, then we've got to carry our amounts into the next column, which is our tens column. But I'll get to that in a second. So let's start with a fresh number here. Let's go 20. Let's go 25 plus 17. Okay, we're going to add those together. And like we just mentioned, we need to add the ones column first. So if we're going to add the ones column first, what two numbers is that? Yes, it is the 5 and the 7. We're going to add those together. So me doing my mental math, I'm going to go 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 more for the 7 makes 12. So 5 plus 7, or 7 plus 5, equals 12. So I'm not going to put my 12 down right there. Okay, that would be incorrect. That doesn't work. Okay, so do not do that. So here's our 12. This 2 is in the ones position. That 1 is in the tens position. So we always have to add numbers according to their place value. So our 2 is going to go in our ones column. And the 1 we got to put over here in our tens column. Okay. So now we have 1 plus 2 plus another 1. That's how many tens we have. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So our answer is 42. Okay. Capiche? Got that? Let's do another one. Let's try another one here. Boop. All right, let's go 36 plus 48. Oh boy, those are big numbers. Right? And I'm not going to focus on math strategies and whatnot at this point. Maybe I should. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to start on our ones column. Now we're going to go 6 plus 8, or 8 plus 6. Doesn't matter. See, in my crazy head, I've got 8. I need 2 more to make 10. So 8 plus 2 from the 6 is 10, leaves me 4. So my answer is 14. Okay, so I put my 4 there, because that's the ones column. And the 1 I carry up over into the next column, into my tens column. Now I have 1 plus 3 plus 4. Well, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 4, that's a double, right? You should be getting those figured out. That is 8. So my answer is 84. Pretty good, eh? Okay, we're going to do one more. and I'm going to go slow, and I'm going to give you a chance to maybe jot things down, maybe pause the video, and give things a crack. Okay? All right. Oops. Okay, let's go 43 plus 18. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, obviously, is you're going to add the numbers that are in the ones column. So which digits are those? The 3 and the 8. You betcha. We're going to add 3 and 8. Okay, so I've got 8. I always start with a bigger number. So 8 plus 3 more. 9, 10, 11. So that's 11. And that's kind of an easy number to work with. So we leave the 1 in the ones position, and the other one, which is our 10, we put up in the tens column. Okay. So now we have 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. Oh, I didn't do that one slow. I was supposed to do that one slow. Should we do another one? Oh, yes, we should. All right. Okay, this one, I'm not even going to say a dang thing. I'm going to go 29 plus 34. Okay, you may pause the video. You can jot that down, pause the video, and give it a crack. All right, so I'm going to add my ones column first. Those are the 9 and the 4. That is correct. So if we go 9 plus 4, that gives us 13. Okay, so we put the 3 there. And the 1, which is a 10, goes in the tens column up there. Okay, and when you add up the digits in your tens column, 2 plus 1 gives you your 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Did you get it right? Of course you did, because you're a genius child. Okay, excuse me. That is adding with carrying. And you know what? It doesn't matter how long or big your number is after that, you know how to do it. You could have a number that is, doesn't matter, right? Let's go, oh no, not that big. Let's go, let's just do that. 2, 8, and 9. You could do like that. It doesn't matter how big the number is if you know how to carry, right? So I'll just do this one as an example. Doesn't matter if it's 2 digits or a whole whack of digits. So if I go 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 4, carry the 1 up here. Now I go 4 plus 1 plus 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. So I put my 3 there, and I carry my 1 into the next column, the hundreds column, right? Then I go 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, and no carrying that time, right? Like 6, that doesn't, it wasn't 16, so we don't carry anything into the next column, which is our thousands column. Now we go 7 plus 1 is 8, and again, nothing to carry, and nowhere to carry it to. So once you know how to add with carrying, it doesn't matter how many digits you're adding together, it's all the same. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful.